Many English learners ask, should I say make a mistake or do a mistake? Take a decision or make a decision? This is why you need to learn collocations, the natural word combinations that native English speakers use without thinking. Learning collocations will help you speak and write more naturally and avoid common mistakes. So today, we'll learn 100 useful collocations with 4 extremely common verbs: make, do, take, and get. And if you download the free lesson guide, you can see all of them used in example sentences. Click on the link in the video description, enter your email address, and I'll send that free PDF right to your inbox. We'll begin with collocations with make. These collocations often involve creating or producing something, as well as lots of collocations with communication. So we have make a mistake, make a difference, make a plan, make a wish, make an appointment. That means to set or establish the time and date of the appointment. Make money, meaning to earn money from your work. Make friends, meaning to become friends with people. Make progress, make a list, make a phone call, make an effort, make noise, make a choice, make a decision, make a promise, make an excuse, make an offer, make a complaint, make a suggestion, make a prediction, make a change, make a speech, make a good or a bad impression. Make arrangements, meaning to organize plans or logistics. And make time for something, meaning to dedicate some time even in a busy schedule. Collocations with do are often used for tasks, work, or activities, especially routine or general actions. So we have do homework, do business, do the laundry, do the dishes, do exercise, do research, do your best, do someone a favor, meaning to do something nice for that person. Do your hair, meaning to brush and style your hair. Do your nails, meaning to clean, trim, and paint your nails. Do your makeup, meaning to put on makeup. Do the shopping. We usually say this when shopping for basic things like food and household items. Do a good job. Do well on a test. Do harm. Do damage. Do the cleaning. Do the cooking. Do the ironing. Do your duty. Do nothing. Do time in prison. Do without something. That means to manage or proceed while not having something. Do the right thing. And do whatever it takes. That means you are willing to do anything to accomplish a goal. Collocations with take are common for actions we choose to do or things we receive or experience. So we have take a break, take a seat, take a shower, take notes, take care of someone or something, take responsibility for something, take part in something. That means to participate, take action, take a photo, take a nap, take a trip or take a vacation, take a chance. Take advice. That means to follow advice, to do what the advice tells you to do. Take a look. That's a casual way to say look at something. Take a deep breath. Take time. Take the bus or take the train. Take place. Take place means to happen. The ceremony will take place at 5 p.m. Take pride in something. Take a test or take an exam. Take effect. That means to start having an effect. Take it easy. That means to relax. Take a survey. Take medicine. And take a bow. Collocations with get often show change, movement, or obtaining something. So we have get married, get divorced, get dressed, meaning to put on clothes. Get changed. That means to change your clothes. Get ready. Get lost. Get together. That's an informal way to say when people meet or encounter each other. Get sick, like get a cold or get the flu. Get home, meaning to arrive at home. Get angry, meaning to become angry. Get a job. Get a degree. Get permission. Get the chance. Get the impression. Get rid of something, meaning to throw it out or eliminate it. Get in touch with someone. That means to contact the person. Get better. Get worse. Get used to something. That means to become accustomed to it. Get in trouble. Get pregnant. Get stuck when you can't make progress. get drunk when you've had too much alcohol, get a haircut, and get moving, meaning to start being active or start making progress. Those were a lot of collocations. How can you remember them all? The first step is to download the free PDF so you can see them used in example sentences. Then, try to write your own examples using these common combinations of words. This will really help you integrate them into your own English. If you enjoyed this lesson, you'll love my ebook, 1000 Collocations in 10 Minutes a Day. It features short and sweet lessons plus quizzes that teach you these word combinations so you can sound more and more natural in English.